If you're in Premiere and you want to detach your video and audio so that you can edit them independently of one another, it's pretty simple to do so. You just have to unlink them. So in order to do this, you just go up to this button called Linked Selection and select it, and now it's not highlighted. So if I just click on one part of my track here, my video track, and move it, I can see that it's not affecting the audio. I can also go in and maybe cut out a little piece of audio if I want, and if I just delete that, I still have that video, but the audio is no longer there. So it's super useful. You can also turn it back on, and now you can see when I've turned it back on, if I select the video, it's only going to affect this part of the audio. These two are still linked. However, these are not. So it does mess around with your links once you undo it, but I find it really helpful and I use this all the time. I hope that you guys found this useful. Please check out my Premiere playlist, and thanks for watching.